This is my parking garage program. It started off as a student information system, but then was modified extensively instead to keep track of cars in a parking garage. So we'll start off in the parking garage class, which is not the main method, but the main part of the code. And this is what tracks the total amount of parking spots and also how many are available. Um, it has two static variables in it: total spots, which is 50, and available spots, which is whatever is left over. And then it uses three static methods: park car, remove car, display garage info. And then it also contains the getter method, get total spots, and get available spots, which is used by the other classes to retrieve the parking data. And then we can go over to the car class, which creates the car objects for the parking garage to keep track of. And this class will represent the individual cars that enter the parking garage and assign each car and ensure that each car has a license plate and maybe assigned a parking spot. So it uses two instance variables: car license plate, which stores the license plate, and parking spot number, which will assign the car's parking spot. It also contains the constructor for the parking garage car. When it's called, it will call the other class parking garage car to generate the object. And if parking is available, it will get the spot number. And when the garage is full, it will return -1, which will indicate no spot was assigned. For methods in this class, it has display car info and leave garage. Um, if the car has a valid parking spot when leave garage is called, it will remove itself from the garage, and then it calls parking garage remove car to increase the available spots. If for whatever reason the car was never parked, this is where it will return car was never parked. And then finally, the main method. This required the least amount of modification for the most part. It was only just changing the names from student 1 and student 2 to car 1 and car 2. But this is where the program is run and technically where the objects car 1 and car 2 are created, as well as it will call display car info for the two cars. So now, if we run it, it returns car ABC 123 has left the garage. Total parking spots 50, available parking spots 49. Because if we look up here, ABC 123 has left, but there's still the initial car left in the garage.